Until you reach a point where you begin to respect what pays your bills, you will never become successful. A lot of people don't be successful because they are ashamed of the jobs they do. Some people behave as if they have a very big job somewhere waiting for them. They're just wasting time here chilling. That's the vibe they give. Now, if you give that vibe, it will be difficult to get a promotion, it will be difficult to be elevated, even to be recommended for other jobs because of the attitude that you portray. So if you have a job, please protect it. Respect whatever gives you money. Respect it. Respect whatever puts food on your table. Respect that job, because for now you don't have any other means. That is what is paying your bills. Respect it. Don't let people laugh at you. Okay? When I was on the streets selling sarauda and pushing a Uber, I met a lot of people to laugh at me. Even some of them, even when I was in school, they used to call me Kamanomo. You know, that kind of thing, because I wasn't drinking alcohol. Kamanomo, Kamanomo. Sometimes even some girls and guys will say, but what do? You don't drink alcohol, don't have a girlfriend. What? It's a sad life. They would tell me that I had a sad life because I wasn't drinking alcohol. I didn't have girlfriends in school. Now I had a sad life. The same people used to say I have a sad life. When we meet, they can't recognize me. We are not the same level. I'm like 17 steps ahead. By far. So focus, work hard. And here's the issue. Something I noticed. Some bosses, if they notice your attitude, they may even help you apply in a different company where you can get a better pay. They may know someone say, no, I've got a guy whom I work with. I think it's good to help him out. I've seen bosses who've done that before, where somebody is exceptional at what they do, very obedient, hardworking. The boss in a company even gives you a job advert saying, you know what, I have a friend in this company. They are looking for someone who can, I think you can do better. If you would like to try, give it a shot. And some people have gotten better jobs through those recommendations. So whichever job that you are doing, respect it. If it's a business that you do, respect your business. If you are a cleaner, respect that job. If you are in a booth, you are doing it or man, mobile money, whatever it is, MTN, respect that job. If you are pushing a Uber, like I used to push a Uber, respect that job. If you sell someone like me, respect that job. Whatever it is that puts food on your table, respect it. I see people when they introduce themselves, they say, tell me about yourself. No, my name is Shadik, I'm just a booth attendant. You are just a booth attendant? No, I'm just a nurse. No, I'm just a teacher. You can't introduce yourself like that. Okay? There are 3 things you should do if you want to introduce yourself. And I'm going to give you these 3 things. Please write them down in the comment section. This has really helped me a lot to introduce myself. Alright? Number 1, if you're introducing yourself, don't be embarrassed about your job. Okay? Don't be embarrassed. Here's the thing. Number 1, let's say I'm a booth attendant. Okay? Here's how I can introduce myself. Okay. I'll give you the way I've introduced myself, and I'm going to introduce myself as a booth attendant. Say 3 things. Number 1, name. Number 2, role. Number 3, value. If you're going, no matter what job you do, these 3 things will always be there. Your name, your role, and the value. Okay? Say, for example, I'm going to start with what I do. For example, I'm going to say, oh, my name is